Hello everyone, we are BSCS2A and we would like to present our FitNets online shop system. So let's start with first, let's open localhost FitShop admin. So you can see this is the view of admin. Log in now. We log in our admin account. Now the dashboard that you see is how we manage our FitNet shop online store system. First, we tackle the product list. Show a product data created, product and description, status, and action.
Next is inventory list. In this is the purchase of the product of the customer. Example, Dove belt is unit per pieces, size, price, and stock. Lastly, the order list that shows the date of the client payment and if delivered or out of the delivery.
The next thing we present is the main interface of our FitNets online store system, where you can shop. If you don't have an account, you can register by clicking the login. Click the create account. Just fill up the following: first name, last name, contact number, gender, default delivery address, email, and password. Click register. And you have now your own account. Now, you can purchase the product that you want. Example, cat food. Click view, add to cart, click home, if you want to see what items you added in your cart, just click your name, upper right corner of the screen. Click cart. If you are sure, just click checkout. And if you're not, just click empty cart. We are now click the checkout. Check if the delivery address is correct and the payment method. Click cash on delivery. And there you are. And that's it. Thank you for watching.